Welcome to Quad Tech. Are you looking to switch your Instagram account from personal to professional? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to make the switch and unlock powerful features for creators and businesses. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools. Then select Switch to Professional Account. Now choose a category that best describes your profile, such as blogger, artist, or business. This helps Instagram understand your content and suggest relevant tools. You'll then be asked to select either creator or business. If you're an influencer, content creator, or public figure, choose creator. If you're running a brand or business, select business to access additional marketing tools. Now, Instagram will ask you to complete your professional account setup. When you finish, you'll see new features like insights, promotional tools, and more options to grow your presence. Switching to a professional account is a great way to enhance your Instagram experience, whether you're a creator or a business. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more social media tips. Thanks for watching.